distant years. Linden whispers no one hears. Shadows deep where silence stays. Guard the pulse of vanished days. Dust of moments long undone shivers in the pale cold sun, as if through cracks the past could sigh and breathe its name before goodbye. Layer on layer, silent and wide, scratches where fragments of history hide. Magic in markings time can't erase. I almost see Maggie's face. Every scar softly keeps echoes of promises buried deep. In the hush of fractured light leaves the ache of lost Structures rise like ruined walls, rich with what the silence calls. White and gray in soft decay, holding yesterday at bay. Maggie laughed in summer's flame, red as poppies without a name. Yet even in her brightest hue, faded tones were breaking through. Layer on layer, silent and wide, scratches where fragments of history hide. Magic in markings time can't erase. I almost see Maggie's face. Every scar softly keeps echoes of promises buried deep. In the hush of fractured light leaves the ache of lost delight. Do you remember, Maggie, the start? When the world was an unmarked heart, when hands could paint the air with fire, and every breath was pure desire. Now your image